Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you a comparison of Devonthink and Obsidian to see if which is the best PKM software for 2025. So let's get started. So first, let's start by knowing what they are. So for Devonthink, it is a Mac OS based document and data management system. While the Obsidian, it is a markdown-based note-taking app focused on linking ideas. So Devonthink is like a smart filing cabinet for documents, while the Obsidian it is a graph-based tool for connecting ideas through notes. So they are best so you can use Devonthink if you're managing PDFs, web clippings, or documents. So if you also want OCR, tagging, and AI-assisted search, you can use Devonthink. And lastly, if you're heavy on Mac OS, and if you're a really Mac OS user, then you can really rely on Devonthink. So for Obsidian, you can use it. You're building a second brain with linked notes. And also if you love Markdown and open formats. And lastly, if you want a portable and extensible system. So note for this one is if your PKM revolves around documents, then Devonthink shines for you. While for linking thoughts and writing, Obsidian is unmatched. So next is for personal workflow example. So let's start by Devonthink. So it has archive, OCR, and it categorizes research PDFs. While the Obsidian, on the other hand, it writes, links, and map out research summaries. So for this one, you can even use both. So Devonthink is for collecting, while Obsidian is for thinking and writing. Now for the final verdict is there is no one size that fits all. So Devonthink is a structured document vault, while the Obsidian it is a free-flowing idea graph. So you can choose based on how your brain works, files and structure or notes and links. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.